here's our situation with this car. This floor is rotten. It's a Flintstone mobile. There's a hole through there. So what we're gonna try to do is weld in that section into here. Driver floor. Oh, I gotta cut the harness there. So the driver floor from the front clip, we sectioned it so we can weld it back in the next car. Drilling out the spot welds for the rail so we can section the floor. Let's see the bit. It's a special bit that we're using. It's got a pilot tip, and then we drill out the spot weld with it. Progress. We've drilled out the rail for the seat, bolt up. So now we have a flat surface to work with. Once we get the replacement panel, we can lay it over top. So that's coming along. So we've cut out the floor, trying to get a clean edge. Oh, this hole's getting bigger. Here's the progress of the replacement piece. Cut a certain section of the rail. Alright, that's our replacement piece. There we go. Bam! Ready to go. Just like that. Hammer and dolly the edge straight. So we've outlined the area that needs to be grinded down so we have good welding surface. Alright, so we got all the edges grinded down. Pretty good fit. Sits in nicely. So we got the seat bolted down. A couple screws into the floor to set it in place. We've moved the car outside to weld because it's really smoky from all the undercoating burning, and flames are coming. As you can see, it's freezing cold outside, but we gotta do what we gotta do. Alright, day 2 of welding. It is -10 outside right now, and we are outside. Set up the car outside so we can weld, just because of all the smoke. So we welded last night. We got about a quarter of this done. So we still got inside there and along the side here. So alright, after 2 days of welding outside in the -10-degree weather, we have finally finished welding. So right now what we're gonna do is use some seam sealer, and we're gonna seal all the edges and the welds just to give it an extra bit of protection in case we have any gaps that we're missing. Sealer, and we seal up the edges to give it a little bit of smoother edge. We got the car up in the air. Hey, look under here. There's the patch. All sealed now. Looking good. That's the final. Man, it looks pretty good. Alright, carpet's back in. Interior's back in. Seats are back in. Nice and solid. Got a radio in there.